Excellent opportunity to own this wonderful 3-bedroom 2.5-bath townhome in the Chestnut Woods community. Convenient to local shopping and restaurants as well as commuter routes north and south. The Chestnut Woods community condo Assoc covers all water usage, snow removal, common area maintenance and provides a community pool and tot lot. 3 finished levels with spacious living room dining area, eat-in kitchen with walkout to fenced rear yard and covered patio. Additionally, the primary bedroom includes a full bath and 2 generous bedrooms and additional full bath. The finished lower level has a large family room, half bath and built-in fish tank included in the sale. Great price.